Hi, I'm Bill Kovalcik from the law offices of Michael J. O'Connor and Associates. I'm a workers' compensation attorney, and I'm here to talk to you today about the settlement of a workers' comp matter. The settlement of a workers' compensation matter is voluntary. In other words, it doesn't have to happen, but it often does. Now, whether or not settlement's appropriate for you, or in your case, is something an attorney can help you analyze and give you advice about. Often we find that workers' compensation cases will settle when an individual has an injury that's persistent, that becomes chronic, it's a serious disability, and that individual can't go back to his or her usual job. Furthermore, the company realizes that, and they don't want you back. They don't have light duty, maybe, and they understand that you can't continue on like this. Sometimes people want to move on with their life and maybe change their profession or career, work something more light duty, so they'll settle their case. And if the employer is interested, it can be negotiated. But I believe it's imperative at this time, if settlement is a possibility at all, to get the advice and evaluation of a workers' comp specialist. Not every attorney practices workers' comp, and only those of us who do on a regular basis can give you an accurate and honest evaluation. Once we do that, we can begin negotiating. Sometimes mediation is agreed to by the insurance company so that their attorney, your attorney, can sit down with a mediator and come up with some type of a solution or resolution of your claim. Generally in Pennsylvania, the attorney is entitled to 20% of your settlement. So any settlement you get to keep 80%, and that is tax-free because it represents lost wages for the future. I would caution you against trying to settle any workers' comp case yourself. There are a number of very complicated issues involved. Certainly if you're on Social Security, disability, and Medicare, it becomes even more complicated. So if you have any inkling that your case might be settled, there's interest in your part or the employer's part, and you're not going back to work, you should certainly call our law offices for a free evaluation, consultation, and perhaps we can help you settle that case.